Okay, so we are in my home studio and I'm really excited because a package just arrived. I don't know what it is, but it just happens to coincide with when I should be receiving a brand new Apple iMac. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I hate unboxing videos, but we'll see. Let's just do it. Let me go get the box. Okay, and so here's the box. It's pretty much the shape of all iMac boxes, so it's probably an iMac. Let's see, where's my knife? I don't have a knife. Let me go find a knife. Okay, I got a knife. There's a couple of nicks in the box. Let's see, hopefully it's all intact inside. Whoops. Experience at this unboxing thing. Okay. Looks pretty good. I'm not sure what the orientation is that I should be opening this in. Ooh, that looks like it's right there. Okay, so I'm going to lie this down. That way I don't damage anything. Okay, looks like whatever it was that cut through did not get all the way through. Okay. Oh, it feels heavier on the inside. Oh, wow, that is a big box. Okay, I'm going to save this in case I need to return it. Not planning on returning it, but, you know, could need to return it. Oh, yes. That is a big box. Okay, so this is the 27-inch iMac. The one that was just announced a week and a half ago, and it looks like I start right here. Okay, and what do I see in here? I don't know what the right way is to open this. I'm gonna lie it down on its side because I'm too scared of it falling out. I see plenty of unboxing, well, I don't see many unboxing videos, but the ones I see have people throwing boxes all around, and that just makes me nervous. So, let's see. Okay, here it comes. We'll just kind of throw that over there. And I got box here with a power cable. Just throw it down there. Oh, what was in here? This was, looks like I got the big the big keyboard with the number keys. My one disappointment with this keyboard is it's not the keyboard that I have on the current MacBook Pro that I use for work, because I love that keyboard. Let's see, well, that thing, got the trackpad because who really likes using that mouse? And a charging cable, I guess, for the keyboard and trackpad. What else is there? Feels like this is pretty solid, and that's everything that's in that box. Okay. So now I should just be able to lift this thing out, right? This feels precarious. That way. Slide it that way. Okay, got it. Oh, I should probably have set up a place to put this before I take it out. Oh my god, I'm gonna break this thing. Okay, let's slide this stuff out of the way. I would hate for that to fall over right now. I'd hate for it to fall over with me documenting it. Okay. So now I've got a place for it to go. Oh god, that's heavy. Than I expected it. Okay, cool. Okay. So there we go. Anything else in this box? Just really well designed styrofoam. Okay. Just put that down there. And there's a little label on the back here. It says, what does it say? Use requires acceptance of the software license terms presented electronically during setup. Restoring macOS requires a supported internet connection. I think I'm good on that. Okay. And that is done. It's beautiful. And so at this point, I'm going to spin it around, set up the camera somewhere else. Let's see, let's get my tripod, a tripod. And this shows us the full specs. It's an iMac 27-inch Retina 5K 2019. It's a 3.6 gigahertz Intel Core i9, 64 gigabytes of 2667 megahertz DDR4. It's Radeon Pro Vega 48, 8 gigabytes. And the storage is the 2 terabyte SSD. It's an Apple SSD. So it's pretty much the maxed out. It is the maxed out machine. The only thing I could have done to make this a little bit more expensive is to get rid of the foot and go with the base mount. But I didn't really feel like I wanted to do that. Eject. Okay, well that's it. Now I'm going to get to customizing it a bit, get it to where I like. I need to install iTerm, I need to install Fish Shell, I need to set up for development, set up Xcode, set up Final Cut Pro, do a few Final Cut Pro tests, and get this machine running. I'm very excited. So now I need to, I need to do all these things. I've got 14 days to do that return, to decide if I want to return it. So far, I don't think I will, but who knows? I've got 14 days to figure out, is a iMac Pro going to be a better fit for me? So far, this looks pretty good. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this, my first unboxing video. I think it's my first. Yeah, okay, bye.